What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I woke up to absolutely an amazing thing, right? I have a ball behind me for some reason, this kid's ball. I was gonna say, what's pink behind me? Anyways, I woke up to some interesting situations that are happening in cryptocurrency, right? Trump meme coins, Trump official meme coins, and honestly, all like Trump meme coins are absolutely flying. And I want to say I told you so that things would make these moves, but the only reason that we're seeing this flying is because of the official Trump coin that has moved so much. So I want to talk about where things stand with them and how insane things are looking, and also for the positions that were here prior, right, to this official Trump coin launching. I want to show you guys what's going on there because I've seen some substantial gains. However, I haven't at the same time. And you're probably like, how does that make sense? So, guys, hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter or follow me on Patreon at Perry8K, you can follow me over there, or the links are in the description. You can also check out my link at the top of the description for BTCC. This is a platform that I've used for about 4 months now, and it's been really, really good when it comes to leverage trading, it comes to outright trading, it comes to demo trading. So if I want to get comfortable with the market, you can do all of that stuff over on this platform. So feel free to check out that link. It's at the top of the description. When you specifically use my link, you can get a 10% deposit bonus, as well as seeing a up to $10,055 per user of extra bonuses. And you can get 40% lower trading fees. So they're giving you a lot when you use my link in the description. And you can also do up to a 500x leverage. So if you're interested in leverage trading, finding positions that you see that are going to blow up in the future for the long term as well as the short term, you can do that with this platform, and you can leverage trade from a 1x leverage all the way up to a 500x leverage. Make sure you guys understand what leverage trading is before you dive into it. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me on Patreon. But let's talk about the topic at hand, which is Trump meme coins. Now, if you don't know, there were a few, right? You see Strump, you see MAGA Trump, and then now you see the official Trump official meme coin that's out here. Now, let's go into the markets and show you where things are, and then we're going to go into where meme coins are as well. So overall, the market is not at a great spot, right? It's at a good spot overall, but just compared to the day before, it's down by about 0.41%, and you're seeing it at a $3.59 trillion market cap, while also seeing Bitcoin's dominance increase a little bit, which is not great for altcoins in general. Now, if you go here for trending coins, you're going to see one coin that is trending that we're talking about, which is Trump. It's at $68.96 as of right now, up 221%. Now, this position itself is up to a 13 or 14 billion dollar market cap. This is something that hasn't launched too long ago. It's literally 2 days old, where you're seeing this go from about a $2 billion market cap, or it started out at a $1.8 billion market cap, and now it's at a $14 billion market cap with $19 billion worth of volume. Different markets like Binance, where you have majority of that volume that is happening. You have some that's happening on Radium. You have Kraken. You have various other trading pairs. It's not even on another S tier exchange, which would be Coinbase. But it's making huge moves in the last couple of days, jumping up to a $14 billion market cap. Now, while it does have 1 billion coins in circulation, or in total supply, only 200 million is in circulation, so they can dilute that basically 4 times over or 5 times over at this point. And you can see that price come down based on just where the market cap is and versus the supply and all that stuff. So that's something that you could see there, but it has been moving a lot, and people made a ton of money from it. I've seen a lot of people that have mentioned this. Now, if we go into back to the markets and we go to memes, we're going to see things that are moving a little bit more than that. If you look at MAGA Trump, right, this position that is up by 2,349% in the last 24 hours, which is amazing. It's up to $43.63. This is the position that we've talked about We talked about this a while ago. We mentioned this when it first kind of got launched, when it was in pre-sale, and then ended up skyrocketing up to hundreds of millions of dollars worth of market cap. Well, right now it's worth $1.9 billion worth of a market cap, and the volume you're seeing $3 billion that is going through this. Now, again, this is a position that I currently hold. I wanted to buy more at a lower level, but I currently hold, and it's up to a higher value right now. $44.01, $1.9 billion market cap, $3 billion worth of volume. All of the supply, virtually all the supply is out there. And if we look at how things have moved for the last 7 days, again, it's up by 1,415%. In the last day, up 2,000%. In the last month, it's up 3,400%. So you could have had a 34x at this point. You could have had a massive move for what you held if you decided to hold it for the last month. Now, in my portfolio, I want to show you guys, I wish I could show you just specifically that. In my portfolio, now, I'm having problems with what this is and where this is. So let me log into my portfolio here, see if I can easily log in. Hopefully it can make it. Yeah. So in my portfolio, I have it over on the B&B side, right? You're able to get this position on both sides. Let me go back here. Let me show you guys what it says that I have. So if we go into my portfolio, it says that I have $9,448 worth of Trump. And my cost basis is $6.26, which I probably should have bought more while I was at a lower level, but I was not as confident as it was down to like $1 at that point, $2 or so. But if I go into my portfolio, right, my portfolio shows that I have a lot less, that it's worth $639.36. And I was like, how could that be, right? It's a position that currently shows it's at $44.07. Well, it seems like if you go into the markets, that all the places that are like Uniswap and PancakeSwap and different wallets and all that are still at a value of $3, right? MEXC is at $71.98. Gate.io, it seems like on all the exchanges or big top tier exchanges, I guess, are worth, a lot higher, right? $71, $67. And it's just, I guess, a little bit finicky, right? And that's where maybe you get the average of $44.19. So I'm not truly understanding where the price is, and maybe it has to kind of settle. But this is something I've never seen before. I've never seen this much of a difference between decentralized exchanges or decentralized apps versus centralized exchanges. I've never seen a difference between the two like that, where it sits at a $1.9 billion market cap over here, but then sits at a 100 or less than $100 million market cap here. So the difference is absolutely crazy. I don't know. If anybody else understands what's going on here, please let me know. As someone that has been in cryptocurrency for a number of years at this point, I've never seen this happen ever. You're not seeing this happen over with the other Trump meme coins as well. It's literally just this. And maybe it needs time. I was thinking it just needs time to settle, and then, they play catch up. But I mean, that's very far off. That's a huge range, a huge difference between the two. So I really want to know what's going on and why it's not worth as much as it is, because I wanted to take some of that. I wanted to take my initial investment, maybe a little bit of profit, and actually put that into my dividend portfolio, because that's what I'm going to do with any of my profits from cryptocurrencies. But seeing this level of a gain, either way, moving absolutely insane. I would say right now you're seeing more from the Trump official meme coin versus the MAGA Trump coin that's here. And I was thinking maybe they had some sort of migration that I wasn't a part of. I don't know. And now mine is still worth that much, but it wouldn't show it here if it was a migration, right? If they did have a full migration there, then you wouldn't see this here for Uniswap. It would be a completely different thing there, and you would see it still at the price that it's supposed to be at, which is $43 or $71 or $67. So it's weird. It's a little bit weird, but Trump meme coins are going insane right now. So if you are a part of either one of those and you were able to profit a lot, Congratulations on those. Let me know if you're having any trouble or you've been struggling with seeing what's going on. But things are moving insane. Love to see it. Don't love to see that my value didn't go up, but we'll find a way to address that in a later date. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Again, if you guys want to check out my link for BTCC, that link is at the top of the description where you can trade various coins, a lot of coins, honestly, 300 plus crypto futures there at 500x leverage if you wanted to or not. Some at a 50x leverage, some at 100x leverage. It varies from position to position. But I'm going to get out of here, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.